thunderstorm and hurricane, random thunderstorm, didn't even show up on radar. Mother Nature needs to make a mind of her own, because look at that rain curtain right there, a wall of rain, and it's sprinkling right here as we speak. Look at the size of these raindrops. Look at the size of those suckers. Those are some huge raindrops. I can only imagine how big they are in that one. Lightning! Lightning strike and hurricane! Oh, shush, Dad. It's my video. I can say what I want. First thunder in this thunderstorm. Amazing. Awesome. First lightning strike of this thunderstorm and the first thunder. I need to stay I have to stay somewhere where the truck isn't, because I'm not sitting near metal. My phone is metal, and once it starts pouring the rain, I will go in. This is a random thunderstorm, and I have no idea why it's storming. This didn't show up on radar. I guess people can't predict. People can predict it, but I guess sometimes you can't. Sometimes even some people can't predict it. I mean, besides, it is pretty humid today. So the lightning happened right over our house. This is in Carpenter Avenue, by the way. And right now, my dad's spraying something. Thunder again. It's probably inside the storm where it's lightning, because I can't. What? No! I'm holding my phone. It's in a rubber case. It's not like I'm gonna get struck by lightning. It's not like I'm gonna get struck by lightning or anything. The storm's not even on top of us yet. The worst thing is if I got hit in the head with a hailstone. And it doesn't seem like it's gonna. What? Is that right? Yeah. I'm holding a phone that has a rubber case. Yes, my phone is metal, but it's not a big, gigantic piece of metal. Oh, my phone's getting a little wet. It's starting to rain. And hurricane. The rain doesn't bother me. It only bothers me if my phone gets wet. And my phone is getting a little wet. Wow, I wish you guys could see the size of these raindrops. It's been so humid that I knew that a big storm was coming. I knew this was gonna happen. Just didn't expect that it was gonna have 2 bangs of thunder. I don't know when it's gonna thunder again. Hopefully soon. Oh, third thunder of the storm. Oh, lightning! I just got that on camera. Sweet, purple lightning, right on camera. Yep, they just said there's a radar update. Oh, that's just beautiful. The best thunder I've ever heard. Not the loudest, but it's the best. Oh, it's a great day for a thunderstorm, you guys. Great day. Especially, I just got a great lightning on video. This was so unexpected. The sky had a mind of its own. Oh, lightning! Again! Remember, lightning can strike 10 miles outside of a thunderstorm as well. I think that's true. I can't believe I'm standing outside. That's really stupid of me. I could get struck by lightning and that would be really bad. And I can't have an umbrella, so I have to stand out here getting pelted with rain, and it's getting cold now. More thunder. There's the biggest spot of darkness on the storm. What I'm worried about is that big patch of white. That's where you can get your rain and hail from. I wonder if it's gonna hail. I guarantee it won't, but you never know. It can just pop out of nowhere and start hailing. Again, this is West Virginia. Hurricane West Virginia and Carpenter Ave. They just had a radar update. Yeah, I guarantee that's because of the storm that's right here. The storm's rolling in, and I'm prepared to get pelted with rain just for you guys. I know you guys love storm videos. This is, Dad, what time is it? What time is it? Check the time, because I have to tell him what time the storm is happening. This is 7:15 p.m. Eastern Time, and there is a thunderstorm and hurricane. These raindrops are getting huge. Sorry guys, there's a car right next to us. And thanks to this radio, I can't hear any thunder. Hopefully this doesn't get too bad, or maybe there'll be a severe thunderstorm watch. I'm not sure. It's a nice day to videotape this though. It was so sunny a few hours ago, and now it's just stormy. I'm telling you. Share this video with your friends. Because these are some huge raindrops. They're not the biggest, but they're pretty big. My dad's washing his car. Right now I'm getting soaked. You know what's so weird? Those little clouds that end up being on the oh, lightning. Not that big of one, just a small one. Whoa, what the? That's so weird. It almost looks like something. And that's not good news or something. I don't know. That looks weird and it's getting bigger. Hopefully this isn't what I think it is. I'm not telling you. Hopefully this isn't what I think it is. Look at him. He's washing his car in the middle of a thunderstorm. Man, I hope he gets a reward for it. Hardy har har. Do you know, sometimes I think to myself, oh my gosh. Is that, no, I don't think that's them. Is it? Oh my god, it is. It's Jennifer Weiss herself. The rain is now light. It's not heavy yet. It's certainly to get heavy when this wall of rain hits us. Look how big that is now. Wow. Wait a minute, I just forgot there's metal rods inside of concrete. No. I don't care about rain unlike you. Oh, roasted! Look at these little clouds. I don't know why there's little clouds. That's just strange. See, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You guys name what that is, because I think I know what it is. Oh my god. Jennifer, look at that. What does that remind you of?
A cloud?
No, a type of cloud. And it happens in supercells.
Is this like a cloud?
Sorry guys, we can't get a direct answer. Oh, and here's Allison. Oh yeah, Allison Wise. Allison. Now that's just fading. But that sort of reminds me of something.
Film?
I'm filming.
I know, I can see that.
There was a few lightning strikes and I got some good ones on camera. Yeah? It's pretty bad.
Can I say hi to the viewers?
Hey guys, this is my sister Allison.
Hey, what's
And
up?
I just got your license plate on camera.
Okay.
It is. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh yeah! Frick yeah! Oh yeah! Woohoo! That was the biggest freaking lightning strike I've ever seen in my life. I almost crapped myself.
Where'd that hit at?
That was over us! Oh my god! That was the biggest lightning strike I've ever seen! Yeah! Woo! I'm getting this on camera! I'm getting this on camera! Yeah! I got this on camera! Woo!
That was close.
I know it was. I've never heard, and it cracked so loud. I've never heard it thunder that loud before.
Is it over here or over there?
Over here, like on top of the, like near the house, near the highway. Okay, here comes the rain, guys. I'm gonna try not to get my phone absolutely soaked. That was the biggest lightning strike I've ever had. That was the biggest one. Dad, you gotta stop. That's metal. If you get struck, I can't get another dad. I can't get another dad in my life.
What are you doing?
I'm young. Whoa! Dad, you need to get in now. I can't get another dad. You're being stupid.
Dude, I'll go in when you go in.
Fine, I'm not going in then. I don't want to go in. This is the first time I've actually got something good on camera.
Yeah.
Here comes the heavy rain.
Yep.
I need to get on. I can still get a good view on the porch.
Get on the porch, dude.
Thunderstorm! Strong thunderstorm and hurricane WV! Oh yeah! Woohoo! Woo! Yeah! Best thing I've ever got on camera! Whoa! You guys need to get in the house! Get in the house!